Hey friends, my name is Bev Filer. I am the owner and designer at South Tex Creations, where if you can dream it, I can create it, and where I teach you how to make beautiful home decor for your home or office. So listen, I have a special coming up on October. We're going to be celebrating my second year anniversary here at Bev's Crafting Buddies, and I am inviting all of you to come and join our group for only $9.95. That's right. If you join anytime in the month of October, your first month is only $9.95. Not bad, right? And look, we just got finished doing this tutorial today in the group. Look how beautiful this is. This wreath measures out to be about 34 inches. That's right, pretty nice. And all of my wreaths, all of my centerpieces, garland, all the extra things, you can find all those tutorials in Bev's Crafting Buddies. I have over 150 tutorials just waiting for you to come check it out with their supply sheets. And you know what? I would love to have you come join my family. And that's right, my group is a family. I have some of the most amazing women in my group, and we treat each other like sisters. And I think that's probably the best part of the whole thing. We encourage each other, we root for each other, and I just think that's a beautiful thing. And I would love for you to be part of that. So head over to www.southtexcreations.com and sign up for Bev's Crafting Buddies. And remember, if you sign up anytime in the month of October, you get the first month $10 off of the normal membership cost, which is only $19.95. Really, that's not bad, guys. So I would love for you guys to come over, check me out, join my group, see what I'm all about, and hopefully you can be part of the Bev's Crafting Buddy family. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in the group. Bye.